Hello students, welcome back to the another virtual class of SS. Today we are going to study the first chapter of civics. Before we start this chapter, I want to tell you students that civics is also a part of SS. And in this first unit of this we are going to study about the diversity. The name of this chapter is Understanding Diversity. Now what is the meaning of diversity, beta? Already you had studied about the diversity in the 3rd and 4th standard also. Diversity means differences. Now you can look around you in the classroom. You can see that anyone who looks exactly like you. Do you? No. Even now you are at your home. You can see anybody in your surrounding who look exactly like you? No. So the people are different from each other in many ways. Not only they look different with each other, and might be they belong to the different religion, different culture, and their religious background will be different. So these differences enrich our lives in many ways and also make them more fun. Is it or not? Your friends are there. They all are not of the same culture or of the same religion or of having the same religious background. All are having the different religious background, different cultures, and you enjoy each other's festivals also. So all these different people who come from all kinds of backgrounds and belong to all kinds of religions and cultures help to make India interesting and so diverse. And all these things, all the differences of religions, cultures, customs, all the things, they are making our country a very interesting country. Is it or not? What does diversity add to our lives? Now what these diversities, these differences add to our lives? How did India become like this? All these differences are part of a diversity. Can diversity also be a part of unity? So all these things we are going to study in this chapter. Now students, you can see here the pictures. These 3 pictures are drawn by the children of the same class. Okay. And you can see that the pictures are not same. All had drawn it in a different way. So like this you can also draw the picture given in your term book, and you can do this exercise by yourself. Okay. And of course that the pictures are not same because all the children, their thinking, their drawing skills are different. Now students, here one more thing is given there, that fill out the information about yourself. So these things you can do by yourself, that when I go out, I like to wearing whatever you like to wear. You like to wear jeans or shorts or anything, you can mention there. That at home I speak in whichever language you speak at your home. Gujarati. Obviously we are belonging to the Gujarati culture. We are living in Gujarat, so we are using the Gujarati. Or Hindi or any other language if you are using, that you can mention there. Then my favorite sport is, whichever is your favorite sport. Cricket is there, football is there, anything you can write there. And I like reading books about, whichever books you like to read, that you can mention there. Maybe it is of the English is there, computer is there, or social studies is there, science is there, or any other magazines are there, comics books are there, you can mention there. Now you can ask to your teacher to help out the answers. These things you can do by yourself. Okay students. Now but many of the times see that here it is given that all the students here, your answers may be the different. Okay. And these different answers is showing us about the differences found in every person. Now here students, there is a story given about the 2 boys. We will study this story. So it says there that making friends. Do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? So many times students, you find the new friends and they may be very different from you. They are not same like you. All thinking may be different, or way of dressing may be different, or way of talking, language, it may be different. Now here a small story is given about the 2 boys. That one boy is there, he was going by the cycle, and another boy was there on the road. He was selling the newspaper. Okay, and that boy has stopped the boy which was selling the newspaper. he was selling the newspaper in on the road streets, and that mixture of the Hindi and English words he used to do that time. And he was saw one boy was passing there, and that boy was there and started talking with him, and he started talking with him in the English and Hindi language. So that boy who was selling the paper, he asked him that, do you know the Hindi? So he told that, yes, I know Hindi. But that boy, the newspaper seller boy, he asked him that, I thought that might be you are not knowing about the Hindi language because you are looking like a foreigner. That talking was going on in between them. Then the next thing is given that he was telling that भैया, he said that आपका अखबार. Next again that boy was passing from that same road, and newspaper seller boy has given him the newspaper, and just by this way they had started greeting with each other, started meeting with each other, and they had introduced each other. So at that time that boy has told that the boy who was selling the newspaper to that another boy has told that my name is Samir. So that boy who was selling the newspaper, he also said that my name is also Samir. So here it is a story given between the two boys, but both the boys having the same name, that is Samir. So Samir is there, Samir Ek and Samir Do, the names are given to them, and they both had started talking with each other. They both now becomes a friend with each other. And one day it happens that that boy was those who selling the newspaper, Samir Do, he was in trouble, so he was looking something sad, somewhat sad. So that Samir Ek had asked him that what happened, why you are looking like this. So he replied that in my parents were living there at Meerut, and there some trouble has occurred, and some people were killing the people, and some incident happened there. So he told that Samir Do has told that the boy which was the news seller boy, he told that I am a Muslim, he said. And the another boy, Samir Ek, was there, he was a Hindu boy. So that they had got talk with each other, and that boy, the Samir though who was selling the newspaper, he was having the tears in his eyes. He was telling about his family members, those who are there in the Meerut, and how much they are having the trouble over there, that he was sharing with him. And the next day there was no newspaper boy on the road. So Samir Do has gone from that place, and while Samir Ek is more familiar with English, Samir Do speaks Hindi. Although they both are more home in different languages, they still communicate with each other. At home they are using the different languages, but they are able to talk with each other. They made the efforts to do so because this was what was the important for them, that see beta, that language is not the only thing. If we want to communicate with each other, we can use any language. Important is that we make others to understand what we want to convey the message to them. Okay, so here Samir Ek and Samir Do also come from different religions and cultures and backgrounds, and while Samir Ek is the Hindu and Samir Do is a Muslim, different religious culture backgrounds such as these are aspects of the diversity. Now here you can see there one more thing is given to us, that make a list of the festivals that might have been celebrated by the two boys, Samir Ek and Samir Do. So we can see that beta, that Samir Ek, he was a Hindu boy, Samir Do was a Muslim boy. So the types of cultures, religions, or the festivals they might be celebrating, that you can write over there. You can just, this is for information given here. Now though they are both are having the diverse different religions, different cultural backgrounds, and other ways they are different from each other, but some of the things were similar with them. Okay, that is that they both are the boys of our country, Hindu, of our Indian culture, India. Now here some discussion is given about them, that why do you think Samir though did not attend school? Do you think it would have been easy for him to attend school if he wanted to? See that maybe his family background was not well much that he can afford to go to the school, so might be for helping to his family he was selling the newspaper. It may be the reason, or any other reason can be there. Samir though did not have the opportunity to attend school. Perhaps you had noticed that there were several people in the area where you live who are poor and who don't have enough to eat and wear, and sometimes not even a place to live. See that many times you see the people who are in your surrounding, that who are not able to go to the school, or they do not have enough things to eat or enough clothes to wear, and this difference is not as same as one who have been seen. Now the next thing is given here, that the main thing that here about these things comes about the inequality about the persons or the resources available to them, opportunities given to them. Then the next thing, that caste system is also another example of inequality. Inequality means all are not having the same things, that according to this society was divided into different groups depending upon the work that people did, or the groups they were formed. So if your parents were potters, you could only become a potter, nothing else. It is not similar that now that if a person is selling is having a shop or shopkeeper person, so his child will also do the same thing. He can get the good opportunity also, he can do some other thing also. Okay, this system was considered irreversible, and because you were not supposed to change your profession, it was not considered necessary for you to know anything more than what you need in your profession. This created a situation of inequality. Means you will read more about these inequalities in this lesson. See, there is a story about these two boys. Again here it is given that what does diversity add to our lives. That so Samirek and Samir though they becomes a friend, and you might have friends who were very different from you. Probably they eat the different kinds of food, their home living style may be different, they may be celebrate the different kinds of festivals, their language may be different, their cloth wearing style may be different. So that all things are given here. Now the next thing is given there, that some of you might be like to read the books, hearing the stories and adventures, different things, different hobbies maybe people are having. Okay, and many have lived in the forest close to animals and chosen right of their fights and friendships. Other read real accounts of kings and queens, wrote stories about love and honor. Some dipped into their own childhood memories of school and friends and wrote stories about adventure. So imagine if all the storytellers and writers that you have heard and read so far were forced to live in the place where all people wore the same colors, red and white, ate the same food, maybe potatoes, so took care of this same two animals, for example deer and cat, and to entertain themselves played snakes and ladder. What kind of stories do you think they would write? So it might be having the same things over there. Okay, there was not any extraordinary thing. I hope so that you all are agree with me. Now here our lesson is going to start. The important part of our lesson will be started from here, diversity in India, but this topic we will start in our next video. Okay beta, I hope you will just go through reading of this story by yourself. It is given in a very simple way, so you can understand it by yourself also. The main point of discussion is diversity in India, that we will continue in the next video.